right, back out in the garage. Hey, we're gonna do some cleaning on our Jeep. You know, we got this '01 Jeep. It's a TJ. It's 60,000 miles and it's like new, except some things have been neglected, and we're gonna show you one now. Easy to do, little detailing work. Yeah, we got new tires on it in the spring. You can see what we've got, but hey, here's one of the things we do have. Look at all the dirt on there. Is that nasty or what? So we're gonna clean this up. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is position a jack under the axle to lift it. Then we're gonna have to break the nuts loose. Oh. Okay. All right, we got a little pressure on that. Let's go get the nuts loose. Jack it up a little more. Tires off the ground. Okay, tires off the ground. Now you can see how dirty that is. We're gonna go clean that up. Back, we're gonna clean this all up. But you can get an idea how rust-free our Jeep is by looking at that hub, how clean that is sealed under there. Got a lot of cleaning we can do here, so we'll do that next. Put some simple green on here. Much better. Turn it over, give it a cleaning from this side with a rag and a brush. You can get in when the lug nuts are, if the lug nuts are out. Use steel wool on the front and you'll scratch the clear coat. All right, we'll set this up to dry. Look at that. All right, while the tire's off, you can clean some in here. Real careful cleaning under here because you got lots of screws sticking through. You can hurt yourself really bad. Easy. We got a little grass clippings on the wheel, but that's all right. Okay, we can take our rag. Wipe that rim down nice. Get them snug. You can let the jack down. Just enough to so I can tighten the lug nuts without this thing turning. Piece of cake. Let's get the jack out. All right, don't that look a lot better? You can see up in there, see up in the wheel well, yeah. The grass will come off when it dries. Looks much better though. Look at the other side. You can see how bad that is. That needs help. That one's next. Please like and subscribe. All right, there you go. Hey, that's all there is to detailing a wheel. So take them off, clean them up, clean the wheel well out nice. You're good to go to the show. So stay tuned for more tips and helpful things for detailing. I used simple green, I used a brush, I used little steel wool where it was stubborn, but never on the front side of the wheel. All right, you'll scratch it up. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss the next video. We'll see you then.